Merry Christmas, guys. I am going to do a Christmas turkey. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook? Mm-hmm. Hey guys, welcome back. Notice I said I'm going to do a Christmas turkey. I was going to say I was going to do a rotisserie turkey, but I'm not sure if my turkey is going to fit on my rotisserie. So I'm going to prep it, try to take it out there. If it fits, then this will be a rotisserie turkey. If it doesn't, then it's going in the oven. It'll just be a freaking turkey. That's terrible. Anyway, let me get you caught up to where I am now. This turkey here, sorry, I forgot to turn. This turkey here has been brined for about 15 hours. All right, it was brining in a bucket. In that bucket, I had heated up, and I hope I don't forget any of the ingredients. I heated up one of the boxes of vegetable stock, chicken stock. I used about an equal amount of apple cider vinegar. I used a cup of sugar, brown sugar. I used a cup of kosher salt. And I threw in about a small palm full size of peppercorns. I heated all of that up just so I could dissolve all the solids, the salt and the sugar. I let that cool to room temperature. I put it in a bucket. I put in the turkey. I filled up the bucket so it was covered, and I threw in some ice, and I kept throwing in ice so it stayed cooled for that about 15 hours. Boom. Now, drained all of that, took the turkey out, put it back into the refrigerator. Here's the turkey here. I put it inside my refrigerator, uncovered, not touching anything, and staying still. I thought I had an overflow. That's just water. Not touching anything, staying very, very cool so I didn't have to worry about cross-contamination, okay? Because I wanted the skin to dry out a little bit because that's gonna help me get it brown. All right, guys? So that's where we are now. I took this out, I patted it dry. I'll probably have to pat it off a little bit more. Now to prep this, and you'll see this in the prep work, what I was gonna do is make a compound butter and rub it underneath the skin and all of that, but I didn't want to dislodge the skin, and I don't know how that butter is gonna react with my rotisserie. So I decided not to do that. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season this inside and out with everything you see here. I have salt, pepper, garlic, but this is celery salt. All right, so SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. I have some poultry seasoning. I have some adobo Goya adobo because I like the flavor, and then I put in some smoked paprika for the little bit of smoky flavor and for color. That'll help me get a nice color on the bird. I hope. We'll see. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna rub this on the outside with avocado oil so that my rub will stick. Okay, now keep in mind I'm gonna season the inside of the cavity and the outside of the bird all around with all of this that I mentioned, which is in here. Okay, sprinkle, sprinkle, nice. Now inside the cavity, I'm gonna put this entire red onion, what color onion? Red onion? Purple, she always says. She always says purple onion. That's my camera woman take. Anyway, I'm gonna use this red onion. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna put half of it as close up to the neck cavity piece. And then in here, I have a poultry blend, which is rosemary, sage, and thyme. I'm gonna put that in next, and then I'm gonna put in the other half of the onion. Nice. And then from there, I'm gonna truss this bird up so it's nice and tight. Then I'm gonna put it on the spit, and hopefully it will fit on my outdoor kitchen or my gas grill. And I'll let it go that way because I have the searing apparatus, not the searing, the rotisserie apparatus, infrared thing on it. If it doesn't fit, then I'm gonna have to change plans and I'll stick it inside the oven, and then I'll tell you how I do it in the oven. All right, guys, so that's the game plan. Let me get my prep work done, and I will be right back. All right, guys, we transitioned outside. All the prep's done. The bird's already set up on the spit. Look at that. Christmas rotisserie chicken. Christmas rotisserie turkey on the infrared. Y'all see that? On the infrared. Perfectly balanced. And now we'll find out how this works out. I've never done this before. All right, guys? I'll keep you posted. All right. What I'm looking for is an internal temperature of about 170, 175 internal at the breast and at the thigh. All right, y'all, we're about an hour in, and I checked it earlier, and it was getting brown, nice and brown, but too fast. So I covered it in foil. This is an experiment, I told you. Covered in foil. I'm gonna keep it going. Once I get to my internal temperature, we'll pull it. I might take the foil off and let it brown up some more. I don't know. Anyway. That's where we're at right now. Merry Christmas. We'll figure it out. All right, nice. All right, guys, welcome back, and Merry Christmas once again. Woo! The turkey came out perfect. Color was a little dark, but not too dark. I waited till I got an internal temperature of 170 in the breast and in the thigh. Now, I've never done a brine turkey before, and I already carved this thing up. Sorry I didn't show it to you, that wasn't the video. This thing is the most delicious turkey I've ever had. I've already tried it. The brine, saltiness and flavor penetrated through the bird. So, in the white meat, 1 is juicy, 2 is tender, 3, oh my goodness, it's hard to explain. I know you've had turkey that's been dry. I know you've had turkey, you be like, this just don't have no flavor, it just tastes like turkey. I have the brine, the saltiness, and the other flavors, the cinnamon and the brown sugar. That's in the white meat that's normally dry, and it's not. I'm supposed to be talking, I'm eating. Anyway, okay, count this clean. The dark meat, oh my goodness, 1 is juicy. It's not tough. And it has the same flavor inside the muscles of the turkey. Oh my goodness. If you have not brined a bird, start brining a bird. I will never, ever, unless something extraordinary happens, not brine. My daughter behind the camera like, your face. I will never, ever not brine a turkey again. I swear. Jess! All right, my oldest is gonna come in here, and she just heard what the hell I said, but listen to what she said. Microphone's right here, baby, come around. Try a piece of the white meat, which is here, and the dark meat, and just tell me what's on your mind, baby. Tell me what you're thinking. It's moist. Microphone's here, baby. You ain't gotta kiss me. All right.
Oh, wow.
What you getting?
It's not too salty, definitely juicy. There's a flavor in there I can't put my finger on.
But it's a flavor.
Right.
In the meat.
Yes.
That's amazing. Okay.
I don't know what you use.
You don't have to. Is it moist?
Very moist.
Is it delicious?
Of course it's delicious.
Do you have flavor in the meat?
Yes,
it's not bland.
Right.
Okay. Try the dark meat. Oh, wait, you were saying? What?
It tastes like a turkey, but it's just more flavorful.
It's more. Exactly. It's more. Try the dark meat. Because dark meat tastes kind of gamey, but has not, if you don't cook it right, it doesn't have flavor, but it's kind of gamey. But
everything you said, that is not.
But it's more.
I can't put my
finger in it. I put my teeth in it. Listen, folks, thank you, sweetie. The turkey has more flavor than any other turkey I've ever cooked, and I'm a turkey cooking mo turkey. Brine your bird. Tay was talking to me about doing something special with the chicken. We're gonna brine the chicken. That'll be coming to you soon. But it's delicious. It's not dry. You get an extra, I ain't gonna say a hint, you get an extra burst of flavor if you brine your bird. I don't know how else to explain it, y'all. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Love you like cooked food. This turkey was freaking amazing. Whether you rotisserie or put it in the oven, brine your bird. Can daddy cook? Mm-hmm. Can daddy? Bird can't talk, it's dead. That bird is the best freaking, I almost cussed, turkey I have ever made in my life. This is the first time I brine. I will never not do it again. Never not do, whatever. Love you like cooked food. I'll see you when I see you. Can daddy cook?